Oh no, what the hell? Look, two men quickly escaped. They boarded two canoes to escape the fire. Their yacht had a very bad accident. The yacht was smoking in the cockpit and on fire. Their yacht is on fire. What a pity. Oh my God, folks, it's on fire. The house right next to the highway is on fire. The fire was burning so strong, black smoke was rising high. Hey everyone, whoever is nearby, run away, it's very dangerous. The fire spread throughout the house. I don't know if there is anyone inside. Now the rescue team is coming. They are trying to put out the fire. But it's difficult, the fire is spreading too far. People in the nearby area should also be vigilant. After several hours, the fire was finally extinguished. Oh my God, thank goodness no one was injured. We will continue to update the situation for you to know the latest information. Oh my God, I just heard a small explosion. I looked down and saw fire starting to rise under the car. I was trying to calmly get out of the car. Oh no, the fire is raging. I started running away for help, but it was too late. When police arrived at the scene, the car was in flames. They tried to put out the fire, but it happened too quickly. The car was burned out in the front and badly damaged. Luckily, I was safe but really scared. At 1641, we received an alarm about a fire. My teammates and I quickly started the truck and hit the road. We know that this situation needs to be dealt with urgently. I arrived at the school first, found the fire was in full swing. The E585 was the first to arrive, followed closely by the TL582. The team worked quickly and effectively to bring the fire under control. The fire spread to part of the house. The fire was brought under control in just about half an hour. We are currently continuing to monitor to ensure there is no risk of recurrence. The fire broke out on Saturday, April 30th, and spread rapidly. People shouted fire, and the fire broke out of control. Large fire at barn on Highway 96 in Dale, Wisconsin. The barn collapsed just 20 minutes and 30 seconds after the fire broke out. Dale Fire and rescue crews were on scene and are working to put out the fire. Everyone quickly set to work to put out this raging fire. Fortunately, no one was injured in the fire. Everyone in the area should be careful and stay away from the scene for safety.